Alright, hey y'all, I am back and we're going to go through my nightly routine. So, I'm not going to do too much talking in the hair section, but I will let you know what I'm going to be doing. So, I'm just going in, detailing my hair, and I'm going to be doing some bantu knots. So, this is my nightly routine when I do my natural hair, and mostly I wear my natural hair in the summer, not too much in the winter. So, this is the process that I go through every night. So, yeah, I'm just going in with some oil and some Main Choice conditioner to moisturize my hair, and then we're gonna just go in and sloppily part my sections to do my bantu knots. So yeah, so like I said, I'm not gonna do too much talking in this section. Just watch and let's go. And as you can tell, there is no particular way that I like to do my bantu knots. I just part my hair and coil my hair up on the knot. I normally secure it either with a rubber band or a bobby pin. You can use any kind, it really doesn't matter. So yeah, no particular way, do it how you want. I normally twist some one way and I twist one side the other, just the way I want them to fall. So you just got to figure that out kind of for yourself. It's really not a particular way to do these. So yeah. And I know a lot of y'all are probably wondering, why is she doing her baby hairs at night if she's about to wrap it? But this is just a process I like to do because I don't really like that super sleek baby hair look. So when I do it at night, it makes it have a lot softer natural look in the morning when I take my scarf off. So I do not redo them. I just let them fall this way. Once I tie them up, like I said, they're really soft and they're not as like slick or jelly looking. So yeah. So I'm just going to secure with my scarf, and then we're going to move over to my skincare. So yes, I'm going in with the Purity face wash. This is one of my favorite face washes, especially on my oily days. And yes, I did wash my hands before I started this. So yeah, so I just lather this up on my face. I have a big zit that look like it doesn't want to go anywhere, and it's still on my face to this day. Like, just leave. But yeah, so I just lather this up with some hot water, and I like to give myself a little massage. So that's what you see me doing with my pressure points on my fingers. It's just trying to get the tension out of my face because I do carry some tension in my face sometimes. So yes, after I dry my face off, I just go in with my Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Facial Mask. This mask is mixed with charcoal as well as honey, so it smells really great. It's very moisturizing, but it also dries any zits that you have on your face out while still putting that moisture back into your skin. So I really like this. It's a great mask just for like almost every night use. I almost use it almost every night. I know you're not supposed to, but I do. And I just leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I rinse it off, and I go into my second part of my skincare. So don't know what I was doing right there. Oh, your girl had to brush her teeth. I like to brush my teeth before I actually start my skincare, just so I don't wash anything else off my face that I put on. So yeah, your girl did that, and then I'm gonna go in probably with my toner. I don't know what I'm doing. Yep, there we go. Okay, this is my Tula toner. I really like it. It just tries to draw out my acne. As you can see, I have a huge acne problem, so I just like to go over that to get any excess oils or makeup off my skin. It just makes me feel really clean and really helps target my acne. And then I'm going to go in with my Mary Kay Timewise under eye night cream, I guess you could say, or just like eye cream. I don't care what type of eye cream you use, just make sure you're using it, and use your ring finger and pat, and slowly drag. And then I'm gonna go in with my different acne gel. I have to get the exact name, I will link it below, but this stuff is amazing, y'all. Like, it has done so much improvement in my skin in the last few weeks, so I actually have to do a review on that. And then I like to go in with my Peter Thomas Roth retinol serum. I put this on my face. This is like going to help your skin rejuvenate new skin cells, so it kind of makes your skin peel in a sense, while renewing it and moisturizing it at the same time. And then I'm trying out the Drunk Elephant, I think it's a retinol facial cream as well. It has peptides in it, and I really like it. So it's like water based. It's really moisturizing. I really like it for my skin. So yeah, just to finish that off, pin on my neck, and that is my skincare. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Mwah.